Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you how to get a glowing and whitening skin in a home and in 30 minutes. So let's start. My first ingredient is aloe vera gel. And my second ingredient is rice flour. So I take a mixing bowl to mix these two ingredients properly. Then I take first rice flour 1 tablespoon. One tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Now mix it very well. Mix properly that no bumps on here. This mixture looks like a white cream. Now you can apply these ingredients or these face masks on your hand, legs, neck and face. This time I use this face mask on my hand. Scrub little bit because your skin pores get clean properly. Leave it 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, look my skin how much glowing. Try these face masks in 2 or 3 times in a week. So friends, if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel.